Hi everyone, it's Pat from Scrivener Art and Design, and today I want to share with you an exciting opportunity. I've been invited by Mastrius, an online mentorship organization in Canada, but with a global network of mentors and students. So I have an aspiring group starting up on April 16th, and we meet monthly as a small group of up to 8 people. There's still room for you to join. And we're going to be meeting on the third Tuesday of every month between 4 and 6 Pacific Daylight Time. So that should work for you. If you're in Eastern Canada, it'll be in the evening, 7 o'clock. And if you're in Australia, it's going to be in the morning the following day. So what it's about is a meeting once a month with myself for 2 hours where you'll get some help with your work, direction, critiquing, how to improve. I will be doing some demos and giving you homework. We'll be studying a lot about color, composition, value, and really trying to help you find your voice. And of course, if there's anything that comes up for you that I can help you with in the group, I'm happy to do that as well. We have a navigator in the group. Her name is Lynn, and she's well versed in navigating and also in art. And she will be meeting with the group in the middle of the in-between part. She will be meeting and chatting with the students and going over your homework, finding out if you have any problems, that type of thing. It is a time commitment. The 2-hour meeting, and you are expected to be at that meeting because it's a lot about building community and connection. So it is live on Zoom, and then you will have homework that you're expected to do as well. And this is going to provide you some accountability and hopefully help you push your needle forward and get you moved on from just aspiring to be more of an emerging artist. So if you like my style and you feel like we might be a good fit, I would love to have you. And right now there is a 20% discount on your first 2 months, and I will put both the link to the membership and the the coupon code for you to get that 20% off on your first 2 months. So the price is $67, I think it is $67 US. So, pardon me, $64 US for your monthly membership. You can leave if it's not for you, for sure, and you can also choose a different mentor if I'm not the right fit for you. So there's no real obligation. You can come and try it for a month, and if it doesn't work out, you can go and pursue something else or just continue on your own. So I hope that you'll give it a look, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact me via my contact form on my website, and I'd be happy to help you. Some of the reasons I think that you might enjoy mentoring with me is that I have a lot of experience in both teaching and mentoring. I ran a group in my studio for about 6 years prior to COVID, and we met in person in my studio, and 4 times a year for 3 days, and really worked hard. And so I have quite a bit of mentoring experience, and mentoring is different than teaching. I mean, there's going to be teaching involved too, because my group is aspiring artists, so I expect there's still a learning curve going on here. But Mentoring is more about guidance and making sure that the mentee is well supported and is able to understand the work and how to move forward with their work. So it's kind of a fast track to get you beyond you where you are to where you want to go. I have a lot of teaching experience as well, having taught before in a college. I was the floral design instructor for the program, and I've taught that at various levels. So I have been teaching for a long time, and I've done a lot of workshops in my studio and of course on Zoom as well. So I love teaching. It's one of my passions, and I like helping people and nurturing you. I also have studied life coaching and NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, and so those modalities come in very useful for working with people as well. So I hope you'll consider joining me in this mentorship group that starts up on April 16th. And if you have any questions, please leave them below or get in touch with me. I look forward to maybe helping you out.